In August 2025, I led photographic safari in Africa's three most iconic wildlife destinations: Chobe National Park, Botswana; Madikwe Game Reserve, South Africa; and Maasai Mara, Kenya. This African expedition started from Victoria Falls, Zimbabwe. Here, we had an amazing time experiencing the mighty Victoria Falls both from top with helicopter ride and up close on a walking safari. Upon arrival to our lodge in Victoria Falls, we were welcomed by traditional African song. Later in the afternoon, at 4 p.m., we left for Kazungula border where helicopter was waiting for us. This picturesque helicopter ride is must to do in Victoria Falls. Back to the lodge, we were treated with sumptuous dinner followed by mouth-watering desserts, and which was accompanied by authentic African music. next day morning, we went on a walking safari in the rainforest of Victoria Falls. This 3-kilometer walk was quite refreshing. We experimented with different photo and video techniques. Slow-mo, time-lapse and filming with polarizing glasses. This particular point, the point number 30, also known as danger point or a boiling point, is slightly more dangerous because we are almost at the edge of this Victoria Falls, and sometime in the past people have fallen and oh, it's raining now. It's not raining basically, see, the entire thing is coming up. And you can see on my camera, everything we are getting wet. So that is the beauty of this rainforest safari or this walking safari in Victoria Falls. That was amazing, ultimate experience in Victoria Falls. We finished all 16 points, went from point number 1 till the point number 16 and had a view of that Zambezi bridge, which is between Zimbabwe and Zambia. Now we are going to exit from Victoria Falls, then go to the hotel, freshen up, take our breakfast and move to Botswana. We will be driving through Zambezi National Park, crossing the Kazungula border and eventually entering Botswana. So next video will be from Botswana. Stay tuned.